this is Prem. Welcome to Post Market Report dated 18th April 2024. First, let us look into the US market. Yesterday, Indian market, it's a holiday. So, US market, if you look at for the past 2 days, Tuesday and Wednesday. Tuesday, all the three indices ended more or less flat. But yesterday, Wednesday, Nasdaq down by 181 points and Dow Jones down by 45 points and S&P 500 down by 29 points. And Nasdaq trading below the 16,000 mark, trading at 15,683. This is mainly because the interest rates are likely to stay for a longer period of time with the interest rate of 5.25 to 5.5% in the United States. That is mainly because all the economic data that we have seen in the past indicating a stronger economy for US. So reducing the interest rate again builds a stronger economy for the US, and it will again add in to the inflation. So that because of that reason, then Powell clearly mentioned that at this point there is no way that they can consider for a rate cut in the month of June. However, next 2 months data probably they will watch out and see whether there is any hope for an interest rate cut, and that's mainly because keeping an interest rate for such a high level for a long time also will impact and may lead to a recession. So they have to see, like, before the curve falls, they have to probably ensure that the interest rate reduction is there so that the recession can be avoided, and probably the inflation also can be on control. So that's the aim. So probably the recent data is not helping them to make a strong decision. So let us wait and see. So if you look at stock wise, AMD, Lam Research and Applied Material, all these semiconductor stocks were down yesterday. That's mainly because there was a report that South China Morning Post reported that semiconductor chip output in the Middle Kingdom surged 40%. So because of this news, semiconductor companies in US stocks were psychologically impacted and were down by around 5%. Nvidia and Micron Technologies down by around 4%, and United Airways stock up by around 10%. It's mainly because its revenue for the last quarter is 12.54 billion against the forecast of 12.45 billion. So because of which the stock up by around 10%. So these are all the update from the US market. Coming back to Indian market, so no one expected that we will start the market like this today, and no one expected we will end the market like this today. So yesterday US markets were down, and GIFT Nifty also showing 40 to 50 points gap down. But when we started with a positive note, and till 1:30 p.m. the bulls were complete control of the market. But at 1:30 p.m. the bulls just handed over the market to the bears, and bears took control of the market. So exactly at 1:30 p.m. when the Nifty was up by around 150 points, suddenly went to a negative zone, and it's a sudden fall, both Nifty as well as Bank Nifty. No one expected such a sudden fall. It's a highly volatile today. But overall Nifty ended 152 points down, and Bank Nifty ended 415 points down today. More or less, if you look at the chart, both Nifty and Bank Nifty looks similar at 1:30 p.m. Both Nifty and Bank Nifty were down sharply. Again, there was a buying, but that was also immediately sold into, and finally both ended in red actually. So Nifty down 152 points and Bank Nifty down 415 points today. So if you look at Bank Nifty, the intraday range is around 850 points, and for Nifty the intraday range is about 350 points today. In Bank Nifty, all the big stocks, SBI, ICICI, HDFC Bank were down over 1%, and Axis Bank down by over 2% actually. Mid cap and small cap stocks also trading in the positive zone today, but because of the sudden fall, both mid cap and small cap also traded lower today. But compared to Nifty and Bank Nifty, it's okay. So mid cap stock down by around 0.5%, and small cap stock indices down by slightly lower actually. So with respect to power stocks, except Power Grid, all other energy stocks were down. Power Grid, it's mainly because Goldman Sachs, they come out with their comment saying it bullish view on Power Grid, and the target price is 355. So the stock currently ended at 281, up by 3% today. But if you look at other energy stocks like Adani Green, Coal India, ONGC, Oil India, HPCL, BP, all were down actually. ICICI Lombard came out with a result today and the stock up by around 4%. And today we had Vodafone Idea follow-on public offer, because of which I see all the telecom stocks traded higher today. Bharti Airtel, Bharti Hexacom and Vodafone Idea all traded higher today. One more telecom stock, Hexicom Tele, up by around 14% today. I am not sure about the reason, but it's about up by around 14% today. IGL and Coffee Day down by around 5% today. Both the stocks were trading higher for the past few days, but today maybe it's because of profit booking, it's down by around 5% today. Nestle India, there was a news about higher sugar content in Nestle baby foods in India. Compared to UK and Europe, the sugar content in Indian products seems to be higher for the Nestle brand. Because of this news, at one point in time, Nestle stocks down by around 5%, but when it ended, it's down by around 3% today. Just Dial results came today. The results are very good, so the stock up by around 13% today. Exide Industries, in my video we were communicating about the Exide Industries. The stock was last more than 1 week continuously it was in the bull run actually, so it's a dream run I can say, but today it's a profit booking. I think the Exide Industries stock down by 2.5% today. Infosys stock traded green. IT indices, it's overall it's okay. Many stocks are down, but not a major impact also. But Infosys traded in green today. The stock already down for the past few days, but today it's Infosys result, so the stock up by around 4 points. The result impact probably we will come to know only tomorrow. We have to wait. We are waiting for Infosys results today evening. And Elon Musk visit scheduled coming Sunday, so he's meeting our Prime Minister. So the agenda are SpaceX, Starlinks, all are in his agenda, along with the Tesla factory, and to be planned in India. Tesla car factory production planned in India. So he will be discussing all the three: SpaceX, Starlink, and Tesla. So these three is on his agenda of his visit actually. So auto stocks were also down today. So Maruti, Tata Motor, TVS, Hero Motorcorp and Ashok Leyland, all auto stocks were down. Ashok Leyland down more than 3% today. So overall, if you look at all the sectorial indices, all were trading in green today morning till 1:30. So after 1:30 there was a sharp fall, so the range is close to 300 points, because of which all the sectorial indices were also ended in red today. So that's meaning we are not sure why it traded so high in the morning. Suddenly there was a fall, so we can say the geopolitical tension is also a reason. And tomorrow we are kickstarting our election. Maybe the nervousness is there for the investor, because the election kickstarting tomorrow. That could be another reason. I am not sure. So let's wait and see tomorrow what happens. So that's all the update for today. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you. Bye.